tomorrow, so I was just packing my skincare and makeup stuff, so I thought I should share with you guys what I generally travel with. This is mostly the stuff that I like to travel with. I know this seems like a lot, but trust me guys, all of this is necessities of my life at least, because whenever I go out somewhere, there is something or the other I end up wanting. I am that sort of a person who travels with the world in her bag. I just tend to carry everything and anything that I feel that I might need in times of emergency. Emergency for me would be not having a nice moisturizer in my hotel. So I need to travel with all of my stuff. So this pouch right here contains all of my skincare stuff, and this pouch right here contains all of my makeup. I'm gonna go one by one. I'm first gonna show you the skincare one because this is less. It's not actually less, but the thing is that I have samples and miniatures that I travel with because those are less space consuming and are hassle free, even if like I lose them. So yeah, I'm going to be opening up this pouch, which is a pretty big pouch. It also has a mirror flap right here. So in the front part of the pouch, I have some essential stuff like some earbuds or Q-tips. I like to carry them because they are very necessary. Then I have some band-aids. This is not skincare, but you can need band-aids. Always travel with some band-aids in your bag. Then I have this nail clipper or nail cutter, which is a traveling nail cutter. It's a foldable nail cutter, so it's really sleek. It's great if you get like chits. I don't know what you call them in English, but when skin sort of like goes woo from the cuticle area, and those are really painful. So I like to travel with the nail cutter because I can then just like cut them down and have no pain. And then I also have a pair of foldable scissors. Again, you never know when you need scissors, although I do cut all of the tags off while I'm traveling from my clothes, but you always need a good pair of scissors. So yeah, I have these foldable scissors. Then moving to the main section of the bag, which is just a normal section. It does have a zip on one side, but I don't have anything in that zip. So I'll start off with this. I have this talcum powder by Jafra. It's their Jafra Spa. I breathe, I love, I live, I dream body talc. I love applying a body talc. I apply a body talc for all of the 12 months of the year, even though in December it's cold, but I still like to apply a body talc because it just helps in elongating the fragrance of my perfume. So I generally travel with the same talc and same perfume. So this time I'm carrying I Breathe, I Love, I Live, I Dream perfume, again by Jafra. I know this will be a shocker because I always apply Emari Seduction, but I'm changing things up. That's like my 8G perfume, but this is really good as well. I love the fragrance of this perfume, and so this time I thought let's just switch things up a bit. Maybe, yes, we are still not sure. That is still my love. Emari Seduction is still my love. So yes. Then talking about the skincare products, I was saying that I like to travel with smaller sizes of things. So this is the Zuki or Zuchi, I do not know how to pronounce this, Zuki Instant Hand Sanitizer. So the fragrance of this is like a normal sanitizer. I always like to travel with sanitizers because just basic hygiene, yes. Then I have this Garnier Pure Active High Foaming Face Wash, fights oil and pimple germs. Whenever I'm traveling, I feel like I should carry a face wash which is like a germ killing, antibacterial and fancy stuff like that. I almost choked. So fancy stuff like that. So this one is a really good one. It's just really deep cleansing face wash, so I like that face wash. Then I have this Plum Grapeseed and Buckthorn Light SPF Day Cream. This is for the face, and as you can see, it's in a nice size, so it's great for traveling. So I like to use products like this. This also has like an SPF of 30, so I can skip on my sunscreen for my body, but I can go just with this. And then lastly, we have in here the Nivea Smooth Milk Long Lasting Smoothness Deep Moisturizing. Oh god, that's like so much. It's just a normal body lotion. Again, this is a really great size for traveling because fits in anywhere. So yeah, that was everything that was there in my skincare bag. It's empty now. Let's move on to the makeup. So as you can see, my bag is quite blingy because I'm blingy. So bling bling. So I'm gonna open it up now to show you guys. So this is what it looks like. It does have a zipper compartment here as well as some plastic compartment here, although I do not have anything in there. The first thing I have in there is a comb, because you always need comb. How are you going to comb your hair? Which reminds me, I need to pack some hair ties for myself. I haven't kept even a single hair tie, but I might just tie my hair tomorrow and then leave. But yes. Then I have some refreshing facial wipes. As I said, for the hand sanitizer, a face wipe pack is also a must whenever you're traveling. You never know when you want to refreshen up your face and you might want to clean up your face. These are great. These are also great makeup removers, so I can just like remove my makeup with this and then wash my face. I wouldn't have to carry a separate makeup remover then. So that's why this is great for traveling. Then I have another pouch in here. This has my makeup brushes and my sponges. So I'm going to show you what's in there. So I have my trusted Real Techniques makeup sponge, miracle complexion sponge, something fancy like that. I've kept this because this is great. It does your work so quickly. It just blends in your foundation like a dream, and I love that fact. And then I have my Zoeva brushes. So I have a powder brush, I have a blush brush, and I have two brushes for the eyes. One is a flat shader brush and one is a crease brush. So these all I think are the only ones that you really need while you're traveling. You can work with these. These can multitask, can do different sort of things for you. So those are the only brushes and sponges that I am carrying. Then whenever I'm traveling, I like to carry palettes with me rather than full-size fledged stuff. So I have these two lipstick palettes with me. One is by Estee Lauder and one is by Inglot or Inglot. I don't really know if it's pronounced as Inglot. So there's a lot of colors in this palette, and also it has a mirror, which is great. It has a full-size mirror. So yeah, there are a lot of colors in this palette, so it's great. It also has its own lip brush. So I use only that lip brush for the Inglot palette as well, because this doesn't come with its own brush. So there are 7 shades in this one, and all of them are really beautiful. Some are deep reds, browns, nudes. So it's a good color variety. But then I also carry my Inglot palette because these lipsticks are really long lasting, as well as they have more fun colors. I have a hot pink, orange and stuff like that. And this one also has a good sized mirror. I generally don't carry a mirror with me because I was born in the smartphone era and we have the selfie mode, so I don't really need a mirror, but still I have so many mirrors in these palettes and my makeup pouch that I don't need a mirror. Next, as I was saying, I like to carry palettes. I have this Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette in the shade Golden Sugar. So this one is great to double up as eyeshadow, as blush, as highlighter, as contour, as life together. So I'll show you. Again, this has a huge mirror and it has beautiful colors. So there's a contour color, there are eyeshadow colors, then there are blush colors, highlight colors. So you don't need to carry special eyeshadows or something until unless you are planning to do blue smoky eye, purple smoky eye, green smoky eye. For daily purposes, I think this is great because it has a neutral colors, so they can be doubled up as eyeshadows and you will be good to go. Then I have the Maybelline Master Prime Primer Base. This is their blurring and smoothing version. I love this primer and how it looks on my face. It almost makes my face look photoshopped or has filters on. And yep, love it. So I'm carrying that with me because obviously you need to look on fleek while you're out. Then for foundation, I'm carrying my Kryolan Supra Color Base simply because of the fact that this is so tiny. It's made out of plastic, so it's travel friendly. It won't spill or leak because it is a cream foundation, as well as it has nice coverage, so it's great for foundation. It's great for vacation because you're going to be taking photos and you want all of them to look flawless. So I'm carrying that. Then I have my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circle Treatment Concealer. Whew, that was a mouthful. So this is what it looks like. Again, I love the effect of this concealer and how highlighting and brightening it looks on my skin. So I have that. Then for my compact powder, I have a Sephora compact powder. Again, this is really mattifying, so it's great if your under eye creases in like a split second. It's great for that, and it's great for just, you know, all over good coverage because it does have slight color. And then for my eyeliner, I have the Sugar I Told You So waterproof eyeliner in the shade Black Swan. This is really matte and black, and that's how I like my eyeliners to be. So I have that. For the last few things, I have the Maybelline Falsies Mascara. I love this mascara. It gives your lashes nice volume and length and makes them look actually like falsies, so I love that. Then for my brows, I've kept Rimmel Brow This Way brow styling mascara simply because this fills in your brows, it keeps them in place, it gives them a nice color, and it's really easy to use. So I really love this product. It has been my go-to product for eyebrows of lately. And lastly, I have my EOS lip balm because As you know, I'm a lip balm person. I cannot live without my lip balm. I need my lip balm. So yes, with that I finished what I'm going to carry with me on my trip. Although when you're going to see this video, I already be back. So yay for pre-recording videos and scheduling and YouTube fancy technical stuff. But yes, that is all I'm going to travel with, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you and you got some ideas for how to travel for your vacation. Maybe. Let's hope so. And also do not forget to check out all of my social media, which will be linked in the bottom bar as usual for you guys. And I will see you guys definitely tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye.